Want to take your cakes and cupcakes to the next level? The secret is in the buttercream icing. Buttercream icing is the secret sauce of cake decorating. It's creamy, smooth, and oh so tasty. Today, I'll show you some easy tips to make your cakes pop. First, always start with room temperature butter. It's easier to mix and gives you that smooth, creamy texture. Beat your butter until it's light and fluffy. This takes about 3-4 minutes. Next, sift your powdered sugar. This removes any lumps and gives you a silky smooth icing. Add it gradually to your butter. Mix on low speed for a perfect blend. Now add a splash of vanilla extract. This adds a rich flavor. Mix until everything is well combined. If you want colored icing, now's the time to add food coloring. Start with a few drops and mix. Add more if you need a deeper color. Here's a pro tip. If your icing is too thick, add a tablespoon of milk. Mix until it's just right. Time to decorate. Fill a piping bag with your buttercream. Use different tips to create various designs. Swirls, rosettes, and ruffles will make your cake look professional. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. And there you have it. Perfect buttercream icing for stunning cakes. Ready to impress your friends and family? Like and subscribe to Sugary Trails Baking Club to stay updated on baking tips and tutorials. Happy decorating!